Hello students! Today you are having a test, reading. In your exercise books, write down the date. December, test, reading. You are going to listen and read a text. Its name is What the world looks like. Який вигляд має світ? After reading, you have to do 2 tasks. Let's start. What the world looks like. Scientists say that our world looks like a big egg. They even show us photos taken from the space. But how often do we remember this fact in our everyday life? For most of us, the world has boundaries of our native place, family, school, and a job. Doing everyday activities, we close ourselves in our own special world. It depends on us what size of the world we can see. Gray was an undergraduate student. Soon he had to leave his university and get a job. His dream was to work in a good office. The young man wanted to become an administrator, meet people, fill in documents, write, type a lot, and be in charge of certain information. He wanted to wear nice clean clothing and have a tidy appearance. In his dreams, he saw himself a successful and communicative administrator, solving a lot of problems and helping with organization. His dream came true. He got a good job in a wonderful hotel. After 3 years of working, Gray's world became the same color as his own name. It looked like an unchangeable whole. All days were the same. He couldn't remember what happened last month or last week, because every day looked like the rest of the days. The same office, the same computer, the same papers, the same responsibilities. One day he lost his job. There was a hard economic time. Many people became unemployed. Gray had a family and had to earn for living. So he found a job of a driver. He was very depressed. His heart was broken after thinking about himself as a driver with bachelor's degree. After a week of working, Gray discovered some interesting things. He knew that the weather was different. He saw the sun when the sky was clear. He had to travel to different countries and could see different life. Sometimes his clothes weren't tidy and his hands were dirty, but Gray was happy. His own world was getting wider. He found that the world was much bigger than his own hopes and dreams. Read the text one more time. You may stop the video anytime you need. Task 1. Write down Task 1 into your exercise books. Put numbers from 1 to 12 into the following way. You will read 12 sentences. If a sentence is true, write T near the number of the sentence. If a sentence is false, write F near the number. For example, for some people, the world is their house and family. This information is true because we can read in the first passage that for some people Their world is their house, family, and job. We put T at number 1. Go on by yourselves. 2. We can see our world as we want. 3. We know first about Gray when he was a student. 4. Gray couldn't find a job after graduating. 5. He wanted to find a job of a driver. 6. He wanted to have a perfect appearance at his job. 7. After 3 years of working in the hotel, Gray understood the life was beautiful. 8. All days were similar in the hotel. 9. Gray left his job in the hotel because he didn't like it. 10. He went to work to another hotel. 11. It took only 7 days for Gray to see some positive things. 12. His clothing wasn't always clean at a new job. Task 2. You can see 12 questions. There are 3 variants of answers for each question, A, B, C. Choose the correct variant and write the letter of it at the number of the sentence. For example, what is our world compared with at the beginning of the text? A. A ball. B. An egg. C. A balloon. In the text, we read such comparison of scientists that our world looks like an egg. So, the correct variant is B. An egg. We write B at number 1. Go on by yourselves. 2. Where did Gray dream to work? A. At school. B. At the office. C. At the post office. 3. What kind of work did Gray want to do after graduating? A. To work with documents. B. To drive a van. C. To teach students. 4. What image of himself did Gray see in the future? A. An experienced teacher. B. A skillful worker. C. A successful and communicative administrator. 5. What happened to his dream? A. Nothing. B. He forgot it. C. It came true. 6. Where did Gray work at first? A. Hotel. B. Hospital. C. School. 7. How many years passed when Gray was tired of his job? A. 7. B. 3. C. 2. 8. Why could Gray not remember the previous months? A. He had problems with memory. B. All days were the same. C. He was too busy. 9. Why did Gray lose his job? A. There was hard economic situation in the country. B. He didn't work well. C. He wanted to change his job. 10. How did he feel starting new work? A. Frightened. B. Excited. C. Depressed. 11. What did Gray see in the sky when there weren't clouds? A. Birds. B. Planes. C. Sun. 12. What conclusion can we make after reading the text? A. The job of a driver makes everybody happy. B. It's better not to have a wife and children just after graduating. C. We should not create our own boundaries of the world. It's the end of the test. Wish you good luck and excellent marks.